So, got a big storm coming, 70 to 100 mile an hour winds. Gonna get some snow. It's gonna be warm, but then it's gonna be like -1. This is Cape Cod, Massachusetts. But anyway, I'm gonna see how well my carport, my summer carport does in the winter. We've got a little bit of snow on it right now. I just secured it pretty well. I got rope all tied underneath to support the snow from the top. But the problem I really have with this is it lifts up. And when it lifts up, it comes apart and then it twists and falls. So I got some 4 or 5 ropes going across the top now. Got that snow on there. That's fine because that's just going to help hold it down. So we're going to see what happens. I'm curious to see if it'll work through the winter, because I don't want my 88 YJ to get snow on it unless I'm driving it. So just wanted to shoot a little video so I can see how it does.